Hi guys, this is the second video I'm doing for the efficiency trio that I want to work on. That being bookmarks, bookmark folders and whatnot within the Chrome profiles. The next one is clipboard history, and this is a real quick and easy one. I could actually do a short on this, but I'm going to do a full video too. Well, actually, I probably won't do a full video. I mean, it will, but it's going to be pretty short. So anyway, clipboard history is super awesome. It's very powerful. I'm going to go ahead and head on over to, let's go to, let's see, what's a thing with a lot of text? Let's go to poetry. Oh, that's a cool picture. All right. Well, I might get distracted. No. Anyway. Poem poet. Guys. Let's just click on something. I'm closing my eyes right now and clicking on a random thing. Oh, I went too far. All right. Well, I clicked there with my eyes closed, but it wasn't on the actual link. So, okay. Person stands and looks at mountains. Okay. Oh, I probably shouldn't read that. Anyway, so this is an example of clipboard history. I want to save this paragraph here, and I want to copy it. Oh, there we go. But I also want to save the title, but I don't want to have to go and back, paste it, and then head back here, copy this thing. So I'm just going to copy it all together. You know what? I'm going to copy this picture too. Why not? And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste it all. And I'm going to hold the Windows button and the V down. And it lets, it has those saved here. So these are the three things that I saved. And then here's lenders that I like to refer out to people. So let's start with the title, which is right here. And I'm going to paste it again here. Since it was the last thing I pasted, it automatically showed up as the default paste, so I could Control C it now, or sorry, Control V it, because it's the most recent thing on my clipboard. But let's post the picture now. Windows V. Oh, okay. So it doesn't show up on the dock, but it will show up in other places. That's why I have this pulled up. Okay. All right. Okay, now. All right. Well, let's try this again. That's because I had the text highlighted as well. Yeah, so I'm going to copy image directly. That should probably fix it. Guys, here's a tip. If you don't want to lose this, but you just want to hold down the thing and delete all that without, like, I mean, this is the best way to do it, right? But if you just want to hold down delete or like backspace, don't go here and then backspace, because if you hold it for too long, you're going to delete this. Just go to the end of whatever you want to be the cutoff and hold delete. And it'll do it that way. Anyway, so now I'm going to... it's the most recent thing on my clipboard, but I'm going to Control V it anyway, just to be safe. See, it shows up as an image there. Perfect. Arrow over. There we go. Windows V and the text. And it's all saved there real nice in my clipboard history. And I can clear it all, but also what I can do is I can pin it. So let's say I just want to save the title because I just want to remember what the title was. I'm going to pin that, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to clear all. And so it deleted everything but my pinned items. That's super handy. So you could go through and save scripts. You can go through and you can save just notes that you write a lot. Say you're going through your database and you're using different scripts on each call. You can just save the title of the script here, save a bunch of the titles. And then when you want to just document what script you used, you can just go Windows V and then choose the script that you used, and you don't have to go recopy it in other places. So that's pretty cool. And then I'm going to Control A. That's another cool hotkey. I'm going to delete. Hold delete down and change this back to paste it. Oh yeah, let's paste that image. I deleted the image already. See, that's one thing you don't want to copy image. Control C. Well, it should work. Oh, you gotta be careful here on some of the stuff. So it doesn't work in spreadsheets. I know there's a way to do that though. I'm sure there is. Anyway, something to look at. Really cool. You can paste just formatting. So if there's something that you just want to copy the formatting on, it's real simple. You just copy it and paste it. So let's delete this here. And for example, we're going to do, let's do 1, 2. And we're just going to do that. And we're going to select here and let's go to format, conditional formatting. And we're going to change it if a cell is less than 3, then it's filled with this. And we're going to do if cell is greater than 7, it'll be filled with that. And then let's do another rule. If cell is greater than, is between, I don't know how to format. Oh, here we go. Between 2 and 8. Okay, there we go. Now let's make that red. Okay. So those rules are there, but let's do a different rule set here, right? So first I'm going to show you a trick here. Go ahead and Control C, copy that, and then if I paste, it's going to paste everything. But if I right click, paste special, and do the values only, that's not how that should have worked. Paste special, values only. Maybe it's sharing the formatting. Oh, it's because I clicked here and I gave everything the format. So let's do this. Format, clear formatting. Okay. I'm going to delete this. Control C. Just regular paste. See, it pasted the formatting. Okay. And I already saved it, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste special and I'm going to place the values only. And then I'm going to right click here and I'm going to paste special and I'm going to place format only. And it doesn't do anything right now, but if I type, let's say 15, 14, 13, it'll have all that conditional formatting just where it needs to be, and then it'll show up like that. So that's pretty cool. But another cool trick you can do is if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, and do that just to make sure it understands what the series I'm doing. I type in extra just to be safe sometimes. And I'm going to give these guys completely different rules. Let's add another rule, and it's going to say if it's greater than 3, it'll be purple. And is less than 3, or less than 4, I should say, it's going to be blue. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. Numbers are the same. Control C, and then I'm going to go here. Actually, you know what? It works here if you do it here too. And I'm going to paste special, and I'm going to paste format only, and it's like that. Let's actually Control Z. Let's change the sample right here. Let's change it to. Let's get rid of these ones. X. There we go. And we're going to go here, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Now we're going to paste the formatting here. Paste special, format only. Oh, I don't think I copied. That was because I copied a different thing. I'm going to Control Z that. Copy, paste special, format only. So that pastes the format and the conditional formatting. But there's lots of different things you can even do within that. So